Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove learn about this picture on Windows 11. So to easily do this guys, go ahead and right click on the Windows icon in your taskbar and click on settings. On the left hand side, click on personalization, scroll on a bit and click on background. Then under the personalize your background, you will find that it's showing a Windows Spotlight. And this is what it is coming from. Windows Spotlight basically allows Windows to change those background here on your computer. And you are able to click this learn about this picture to learn where it is. Where is this picture taken or the location, etc. And to remove that, just go ahead and click the drop down and choose something like photo. And from here, you can select your own picture. As you can see, I have a bunch of pictures here. If I want to browse and select a new picture, I can do that as well. But once you select a picture here, it will now remove that learn about this picture on Windows 11 and give you something a bit more clean and looking nice. And that's pretty much it, guys.